If Google Chrome is showing a status access violation error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a buggy Chrome update, a bad extension, corrupted cache, or even graphics settings causing the browser to crash. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, browser tutorials, and troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's go straight into the first fix. Step 1 is to restart Google Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window first and make sure the browser is fully shut down. If you want, you can also open Task Manager and end any remaining Chrome processes just to be safe. Once Chrome is fully closed, open it again and try visiting the website that was giving you the error. In many cases, a simple restart clears out a temporary browser glitch and the page loads normally again. If the error is still there, move on to step 2 and update Google Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates as soon as that page opens. If an update is available, let it install completely, and then click Relaunch. Keeping Chrome up to date is important because older versions can cause compatibility issues and random browser errors like status_access_violation. Next, if the problem continues, go to step 3 and disable your Chrome extensions. Type chrome://extensions into the address bar and press enter. This opens the extensions page where you can see every add-on installed in your browser. Now temporarily disable all of them. After that, restart Chrome and test the website again. Faulty or outdated extensions are one of the most common causes of this error, especially ad blockers, script managers, or browser tools that interfere with page loading. If the error disappears after disabling extensions, re-enable them one by one until you find the one causing the problem. Now let's move on to step 4, which is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From here, select cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make sure the time range is set to all time so Chrome clears everything that may be causing the issue. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and try the site again. Corrupted cache files can often trigger browser crashes, and clearing them gives Chrome a clean start. If none of that works, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration. Click the 3 dots again, go to Settings, then open System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. This setting can sometimes cause rendering conflicts, especially on certain devices or graphics drivers. And turning it off often fixes status_access_violation errors right away. Once you change the settings, restart Chrome and test the browser again. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are restarting Chrome, updating Chrome, disabling extension, clearing cache and cookies, and turning off hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get Chrome working normally again. If the error still shows up after trying everything in this video, the issue may be related to a deeper system problem, a specific website, or a driver conflict on your computer. If this tutorial helped you fix status_access_violation in Google Chrome, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.